Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy cloud storage solutions using Dropbox, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Dropbox website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Once registered, log into your Dropbox account. Navigate to the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the interface. Locate the Upload button prominently displayed on the main screen. Click on the Upload button to start adding files. Choose whether to upload files or folders based on your needs. Select the files or folders you wish to upload from your device. Click Open to initiate the upload process. Monitor the upload progress in the lower right corner of the screen. Once the upload is complete, your files will appear in your Dropbox folder. To organize your files, consider creating folders. Click on New Folder to create a dedicated space for different projects. Name your folder appropriately and hit Enter. Drag and drop relevant files into the newly created folder. To share files or folders, right-click on the item you want to share. Select Share from the drop-down menu. In the sharing options, enter the email addresses of individuals you want to share with. Choose whether to allow editing or simply provide view access. Click Send to share the link. If you prefer a shareable link, click on Copy Link instead. You can now distribute this link through email or other communication channels. To manage your storage plan, head to the Plan section in your account settings. Choose the plan that best suits your storage needs. Follow the prompts to upgrade or modify your plan. Syncing files across devices can be achieved through the Dropbox client. Download the Dropbox application for your desktop and install the application by following the instructions provided. Once installed, log into your account to sync your files. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.